A yoga class was underway when suddenly a dog wandered in, which the yoga master shooed away. However, the dog returned and started exercising on the yoga mat alongside the other students. When they raised their hands, the dog raised its paw too, and when they sat down, the dog also sat in a similar pose. When they stretched one arm forward and placed the other on the ground, the dog mimicked their actions perfectly. The yoga master and the other students were deeply touched by the dog's imitation of their yoga poses, and they began to show affection towards the dog. The yoga master praised the dog. Truly, dogs are faithful animals. If it touched your heart, please subscribe.